treat yourself to a test drive in the 2012 Acura TSX. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Acura prioritized comfort and style by including a leather steering wheel, a power seat, an automatic dimming rearview mirror, heated seats, power moonroof, and one-touch window functionality. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 13 speakers, ensuring optimum sound no matter where you're seated. Acura also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.